Page number, Subhasri,
219.
1.
219.
Controlling explicit cursor subject lagi na start hobe.
पढ़ा बार चला.
Okay. Controlling explicit cursor, open the cursor pointer, fetch or a row, cursor pointer, close the cursor pointer. Means कौन कि गोटे pointer जब तक मु open कर pointer माने कौन गोटे third party जे कि exactly मोरो जो location रे मोरो variable store ही की अच्छी तार address टा से निज पाखे रखे आ pointer को तमे गोटे टाइप रो करि परिबो कहि परिबो गोटे link टाइप रो कहि परिबो माने गोटे लिंक तमे क्रिएट करूछ राइट तो से डाटाटा जोठी अछि ताकू पाइबा पई तमे गोटे भाया थ्रू देकी ताकू ता पाकू जीवा पई ताकू पॉइंटर कहै जाय A PLSQL program open a cursor processes row written by a query and close the cursor. The cursor marks the current position in the active set. The open statement executes the query associated with the cursor, identifies the active set, and position the cursor at the first. The fetch statement retrieves the current row and advances the cursor to the next row until there are no more row or a specified condition is met. The close statement release the cursor, right? It has तीनटा point जहाँ द्वारा दारा description तुमको एठी कहला जो प्रथम open statement रे तमे executable करिवो then ताकू fetch करिवो then ताकू fetch होला पे ताकू close करिवो.
Yes sir.
Using explicit cursor, declaring the cursor name, it has the syntax cursor name is select statement. For example, declare cursor name diala is select employee ID last name from employees by department ID equal to 30. जार department ID मोर 30 थिबो तार employee ID last name ऊपर मोर ए cursor टा applicable. तापर से गोटे वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर कला v लोकेशन आईडी नंबर ता डाटा टाइप सेति देला 1700 तार वैल्यू देला तापर से पास कला से कर्सर ता पास कला कर्सर c_department_cursor is select asterisk from departments where location id equal to v_location id ए जो लोकेशन आईडी ए लोकेशन आईडी ता कोठी आसला मोर मोर कोठी आसीबो जोटा मोर ओरिजिनल टेबल ले मोर कॉलम सेटा अछि माने डिपार्टमेंट टेबल ले मोर ए कॉलम टा ओरिजिनली मोर अछि जहार वैल्यू मोर 1700 को पास करिवो तार सबुतक वैल्यू ऊपर मोर ए कर्सर टा एप्लीकेबल हो बुझला.
Yes sir.
The syntax to declare a cursor is shown in the slide. The syntax cursor name is a PLSQL identifier. Select statement is a select statement without an into clause. The active set of a cursor is determined by the select statement in the cursor declaration. It is mandatory to have an into clause for a select statement in PLSQL. However, note that the select statement in the cursor declaration cannot have an into clause. That is because you select statement. That is because you are only defining a cursor in the declarative section and not retrieve any row into the cursor. Note that do not include the into clause in the cursor declaration because it appears later in the fetch statement. If you want the row to be processed in a specific sequence, use the order by clause in a query. The cursor can be any valid select statement, including joins, subquery, and so on. Cursor टा सदाळे मोर select statement ऊपर ही मोर applicable हो. या फिर तमे join करूचो, या फिर तमरो subquery तमे use करचो, nested query तमे use करचो. ए सब केस रे तमरो cursor टा तमरो use कर दे. बेसिकली तुम सिलेक्ट स्टेटमेंट रे ही तुम यूज करा जाए, इंसर्ट स्टेटमेंट रे यूज करा जाए ना.
Yes, sir.
Declare then cursor, the C underscore employee underscore cursor. Cursor is declared to retrieve the employee ID and last name column for those employees working in the department which department ID equal to 30. C, the C underscore department underscore cursor is declared to retrieve all the details of the for the department with the location underscore ID 1700. Note that a variable is used while declaring the cursor. These variables are considered bind variable, which must be visible when you are declaring the cursor. These variables are examined only once at the time of the cursor opens. You have learned that explicit cursor are used when you have to retrieve and operate on multiple rows in PLSQL. However, this example shows that you can use the explicit cursor even if your select statement returns only one row, right? The cursor
Yes, sir.
होउची कोन पे माइंड रे आस्तुओ जे जदि हमर सिलेक्ट स्टेटमेंट ऊपर हमर मेंशन होउची या फिर सिलेक्ट स्टेटमेंट ऊपर हमें डिक्लेयर करूचे तले हमें कर्सर को पे डिक्लेयर करे हमु तो कोइ छै वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर करे कारण एटा मोर एसक्यूएल प्लेटफॉर्म नु है जे मु डायरेक्टली सिलेक्ट स्टेटमेंट को यूज कर परिबी सपोज सिलेक्ट एस्ट्रिक फ्रॉम एम्प्लॉय आईडी सॉरी सिलेक्ट एस्ट्रिक फ्रॉम एम्प्लॉय where employee id equal to this एटा होची डायरेक्ट एसक्यूएल प्लेटफॉर्म रो मोर सिंटैक्स जे कि डाटा मोर रिट्रीव करके देखे PLSQL प्लेटफॉर्म कोन जे मते वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर करबा को पड़िबो देन टेबल भीतर जो वैल्यू गुडा मोर रिट्रीव करबो सेटा मोर वेरिएबल भीतर स्टोर कर रखिबो देन से वेरिएबल टाको मु आउटपुट थ्रू रो मु शो करबो तापर मते शो करबो एबे वेरिएबल रो जो डाटा जो जेति कि मोर स्पेस अछि से गोटे टाइम रे गोटे वैल्यू मोर स्टोर कर परिबो तो जदि मु एमिति किछि क्वेरी आसला जे गोटे टेबल मल्टीपल रो को रिट्रीव करिकि मते से शो पे जदि मोर रिक्वायरमेंट जदि आसला तले मोर फर्स्ट जो डिक्लेरेशन सेटा मोर फेल हे जे वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर करिकि मु रिट्रीव करि एडा होछि PLSQL कथा कहूछ तो सेति पय हमु गोटे एमिति गोटे प्लेटफॉर्म दरकार एमिति गोटे वे दरकार जे कि सिंगल वैल्यू को भी रिट्रीव करके शो कर परिबो प्लस मल्टीपल वैल्यू को भी रिट्रीव करके शो कर परिबो मल्टीपल रो को रिट्रीव करके भी शो कर परिबो ता पय कर्सर डिक्लेरेशन दरकार सेति पय तमरो कर्सर डिक्लेयर करा हला जा द्वारा कि तमे गोटे टेबल जेतले मल्टीपल रो को तमे रिट्रीव करूचो ताले कर्सर तुमको हेल्प करबो ता एरिया रे स्टोर करके रखिबो एंड देन कर्सर रो नाटा को तमे आउटपुट डिस्प्ले करले तापर तुमको आउटपुट शो कर एटा होची रिक्वायरमेंट कर्सर बुझला
Yes, sir.
opening the cursor the declare statement through cursor C underscore employee underscore cursor is select employee ID last name from employees where department ID equal to 3 begin open tapare cursor ta ko open the open statement execute the query associated with the cursor identifies the active set and position the cursor pointer at the first row. The open statement is included in the executable section of the PLSQL block. Open is an executable statement that performs the following operation: dynamically allocate memory for a context area, passes the select statement, bind the input variable, set the values for the input variable by obtaining their memory addresses, identify the active set, the set of rows that satisfy the search criteria. Rows in the active set are not retrieved into variable when the open statement is executed. Rather, the fetch statement retrieves the row from the cursor to the variable. Position the pointer up to the first row in the active set. Note that if a query returns no row when the cursor is open, PLSQL does not raise an exception. You can find out the number of rows written with an explicit cursor by using the cursor name percentile row count attribute. बुझला?
Yes, sir.
Data from the cursor, declare cursor, cursor name dala is select employee ID last name from employee where department ID equal to 30. B underscore employee, employee dot employee underscore ID percentage type. V underscore last name, employee dot last name, last underscore name percentage type begin. Open C, cursor open color, fetch color, fetching color, fetch cursor name into variable ta pass color V underscore employee number and V underscore last name. DBMS output से variable through output शो करता है तो output होता है राइट बुझला
Yes, sir.
The fetch statement retrieves the row from the cursor one at a time. After each fetch, the cursor advances to the next row in the active set. You can use the percentile not found attribute to determine whether the entire active set has been retrieved. Consider the example shown in the slide. Two variable employee number and last name are declared to hold the fetched value from the cursor. Examine the fetch statement. You have successfully fetched the value from the cursor to the variable. However, there are 6 employees in department 30, but only one row was fetched. The fetch all rows. You must use loop. In the next slide, you see how a loop is used to fetch all the rows. The fetch statement performs the following operation: read the data for the current row into the output PLSQL variable. Advance the pointer to the next row in the active set. You can include the same number of variable in the into clause of the fetch statement as there are column in the select statement. Be sure that the data type are compatible. Match each variable to correspond to the column positionally. Alternatively, you can also define a record for the cursor and reference the record in the fetched into clause. Finally, test to see whether the cursor contains rows. If a fetched acquires no values, there are no rows left to process in the active set and no error is recorded. Fetching data from the cursor, declare cursor name is select employee ID last name from employees where department ID equal to 30. Then variable declare color V underscore employee number employees dot employees underscore ID percentile type. Data variable declare the employee number our employee last name same query use करची but it is loop use करची. Open color cursor use color then loop भीतर fetch statement दला exit when C underscore employee underscore cursor percentile not found. DBMS output तापर show करो से single row retrieve कला it मोर multiple row retrieve. Observe that a simple loop is used to fetch all the rows. Also, the cursor attribute percentile not found is used to test for the exit condition. The output of the PLSQL block is loop the cursor into employee number last name exit when C underscore employee underscore cursor not found. DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line output से show करें. The close statement disable the cursor, release the context area, and undefined the active set. Close the cursor after completing the processing of the fetch statement. You can reopen the cursor if required. The cursor can be reopened only if it is closed. If you attempt to fetch data from a cursor after it is closed, an invalid underscore cursor exception is raised. Note that although it is possible to terminate the PLSQL block without closing cursor, you should make it a habit to close any cursor that you declare explicitly to free resource. There is a maximum limit on the number of open cursor per section, which is determined by the open cursor parameter in the database parameter file. Open cursor equal to 50 by default. कर्सर एंड रेकर्ड एटा हम काली स्टार्ट करियो।
Yes, sir.
शुभश्री
हाँ, sir.